Someone asked, do you have the expectation or the demand that all have to do everything right all the time to be upright humans or devotees of God? And is that really important in all areas of life? And what about our common sense? Should we not keep it and at the same time practice humility? Someone else replied, to do everything right all the time would be the complete psychoterror. And that person also said, it's not about perfection, but rather about continuous progression. The common sense should be a common sense of love and humility is the natural expression of the realization of one's own minuteness, limitations, and imperfections.